This is CryptoKernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. Being a content creator is much more than a hobby. It's a job. And if you wish to become successful at it, it must be a full-time job. But it's much more than that. It's a business. It's your business. And as a content creator and a business, you have two primary objectives. Number one, to provide value to your viewers on a consistent basis. And number two, to monetize your brand as effectively and as much as you possibly can. Okay. Now in this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my insightful information as well as my experience in forging my own brand partnerships. And I'm going to share with you several companies here in our space that are looking for brand partners and also show you how to get in touch with them. Okay. But before we do any of that, I'm going to share an article with you. Now, this is from Quickly, and it was published on October the 12th, 6 months ago, written by Lindsay Keener. It says the benefits to brand partnerships and how to maximize them. Every so often, there's a collaboration between brands that works so well, you wonder how it came about and why consumers responded so positively. Co-branded deals, better known as branded partnerships, are marketing strategies that harness the influence of multiple companies to promote brand awareness and consumer engagement. They're regular occurrences in the marketing space, and they've been great modes for success for certain brands. All right. Now, Joel here, the founder of Brown Dog Advertising, is giving us some of his insight, and he shared with us benefits of brand partnerships. When you come across staples in marketing like branded partnerships, it only makes sense that you wonder why they happen and what their benefits are. After all, if they're regularly used by brands across industries, there has to be a reason, right? Turns out brand partnerships can act something like simple math. Adding one's brand with another's platform results in even larger market share for both brands to access. A win-win. Co-branded deals are one of the best ways to increase sales and drive consumer engagement because it gives you access to new customers, increases visibility, and adds credibility to your brand, he said. When you partner with another brand, you automatically have access to their customer base. But the potential value doesn't stop there. If your brand isn't getting the reception you like from consumers, partnering with brands that have additional resources can help consumers find you more appealing. Now, when customers see your product being used by a well-known and respected company in your industry, they start to see your brand in a new positive light. Customers will see that you're able to offer high-quality products or services and that you're able to compete with the best in the business. This can help attract new customers using social proof. However, not every partnership has to include brands from the same industry. Sometimes teaming up with a company in another market can have significant benefits for everyone involved. Now, in 2020, Oreo and the popular streetwear brand Supreme joined forces and made a limited time Oreo down in red and the Supreme logo. Now, those boxes retail for $8 in the store, but they garner so much attention by the time they drop. Literally, they were selling for thousands of dollars. Wow. Now, that includes us here on JoyStream. Even if your channel only has 60 subscribers, the minute that you joined up with JoyStream, that was your first brand partnership. Okay. Now, this right here is impact.com. I am a member of impact.com. And you have to become a member, you have to be approved. Now, right here, as you can see, brands to work with instantly that I'm pre-qualified to work with if I choose to. Network Solutions, Web.com, Century PC, and Belkin, the USB hub company, I think, holiday company. And then right here, you can see notifications of different new brand partnerships that have just joined here within the last day. Look at this. Purely Elizabeth. Little lunches. And okay, but everything I'm going to show you is crypto related. Now, this first one is Bybit, and it is a crypto exchange, as you can see here. Global crypto exchange, and they're looking for creators as well as loyalty rewards programs to partner up with. And you can see their social channels right here: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and their YouTube channel. And then promote and earn shows you their earnings, which you get for each action. And then it shows you all the countries in which they do business in. Over 60. Wow. And right here, let's go down. And I'm going to go down here. Let's see how they track. Mobile site, mobile apps, check. Deep linking, check. As you can see, that's how they keep track of your statistics. Because we definitely have to keep track of them. And then date join. They joined February of last year, 2022. Right here, second, number 2, Bitstamp. And they're also a crypto exchange. Remember, I'm showing all crypto-related products that are currently looking for brand partnerships. As you can see down here, and it shows you their statistics down there. And then right here on the upper right, promote, earn. And then click details, how they track. And each company is different. They're all different. What they offer is different. Their procedure is different. Everything is completely different. Okay. If we go down here, we can see open the influencers. They joined in July of 2021. Then here, this is Nexo, another crypto exchange. You can see down here. What they're looking for, preferred business models, where they service at. Over 200 countries. Wow. Okay. And then how they track, and then more program details right here. They joined in November of 2020. They joined Impact, that is. All right. We're looking at OKCoin. We did a video on OKCoin a little over a month or so ago. And as you can see here, loans and financial services again. Of course, on a mission to make crypto investing, trading easily accessible. All right. We're looking for high volume traders. All right. And let's go down a little further, and you can see acceptance and response. And they're also located here in SF. Wow. I knew that already. I just forgot. All right. And then let's see here. The next one. OKX, the United Kingdom branch. All right. In the UK, surrounding areas, you can reach out to them as well. There are socials up there in the upper left-hand corner. And we can see promoting the countries in which they do business in currently. And they joined April of 2022, so a little over a year. There's a UK address. Let's go to the next one. Remember, I have 10 of them for you. Coin Rule. Oh, we've been pre-selected to work with Coin Rule. Oh, excellent. I have to look into that now. They are a software company, and they are a platform in which investors use to automate their trades. Okay. And as you can see here, they only do business currently in 6 countries, including the United States, Canada, and the UK. So I'm got to be highly regulated. And then we can see here how they track. Unique promo code, mobile. Now they joined Impact.com in February, so 3 months ago, going on 4. And then you can see down here their address in the UK as well. All right. Then here, Kraken, located here in the US. Kraken is another exchange. You can see here. We are servicing clients in over 190 countries. All right. Excellent. Then we can see the details here. All right. Now they joined in October of 2019. So they've been here for almost, 3.5 years. Okay. Then we can see Crypto Watch. In the United States also, and it is a software application. Give us real-time data and execution tools across many different trading platforms. Okay. And you can see down here. Now they joined in April of 2020, and they're also here in San Francisco as well. Okay. The next one is Binance. Now, for those of you that don't know, Binance has just recently closed down business in Canada, but they are still doing business here in the United States. And if you don't know, they are currently the #1 crypto exchange in the world. As you can see here over in the top right, promote and earn. Got several different ways of earning. Okay. And then also you can see here details, how they track. Now they joined in May of 2021, so a little over 2 years ago. And their branch is here in San Francisco as well. Go figure. Now, the next one is Top Shot, NBA Top Shot. For those of you that don't know, they are a collectible company. But over the last 2 years, they have branched off into NFTs. And they have a large inventory of NFT. They do a lot of business. Okay, so if that's something that interests you, you can apply to them as well to become a partner with them. All right. I'm going to give you all the information in there. Now, they joined in May of 2021. As you can see here. And again, wow, they're here in San Francisco too. Wow. And the last one, I think that's 12 or 13. Now, this is Cointelegraph. All right. Many of you have seen me use some of their articles in previous episodes. Okay. Now, they are a powerful dashboard that provides you with all the tools you need to make smart crypto trades backed by the same technology and data that the most successful investors use. That's what they said. And right here, you can see their promote and earn. You can also see the details. They're in over 200 plus countries. All right. And also you can see deep linking. They're open to influencers as well. And now they joined in January of 2022. Okay. Right here. These are all the ones I just shared with you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. There's 3 more. Go back through them. Wait a minute. 10. Then with Binance. Yep. Top Shot, I should say. Next. So, yep. Now, right here, I'm going to show you beyond cryptocurrency brands, okay? Because there are literally hundreds and hundreds of different brands that partner with Impact and that are listed here on Impact. Now, you've got to get approved as a member. But as long as your platform is set up right and you're providing value to viewers, you'll get approved within 24 or 48 hours. It doesn't matter which one of these you apply to. All of these are different. We have CBD brands, look, Pure Hemp, Strains, Hempalicious. Whoever thought you'd have CBD and you could partner with Coinbase, Place It. Bitstamp again. Okay. There's a few more I'm going to show you. Hit Paw, Bark. Then down here, I know all of you have heard of NordVPN, right? HealthWorks CBD, another CBD company. I mean, there's so many different brands to choose from. You can spend the next 6 hours going through them, which is a good thing. Just pick the ones that work for you, that you're interested in. You reach out to them, and that's it. Goes from there, okay? And then right here you can see Shutterstock, Thumbstack, Image Curator, or Generator, I should say, Guitar eBooks, Domain.com. I mean, how many do you want me to show you? Let's see here. I mean, all of these, and you see this, right? You're looking at this. Legal Shield, Legal ID, Resume, IO. I mean, God, it's a lot of brands, right? And this is what we do for you guys. We provide value in each and every single episode. It's what we do. It's all that we do. And if you appreciate this, give back to the channel. Okay? Now, I want you to make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification to ensure that you don't miss our next gem. All right? Now, if this video has been of value to you, do the right thing and contribute back into our growth to help us continue to supply all of you with content like this. We cannot do it alone, all right? You can send any amount of Ethereum to our address in the description, and you can also send us super thanks. It all adds up. It all matters. It all helps us to continue doing what we're doing. We cannot do this alone, okay? Now, I want you to keep learning and get ready for the next video. Until next time, get in there. All the way in there. And make it happen.